Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Muhammad Aoun. I am working in a Bagh school. I am O-level physics teacher there. My lecture is lecture number 15 and it is related to grade 8 physics. Now I will proceed towards the next slide. That is a topic slide. The topic that I am going to discuss and describe is how sound travels. And do sounds require a medium to travel or not? In my previous lecture, I have discussed some musical instruments which produce different type of sounds, and I have discussed amplitude and frequency of sound and how the amplitude and frequency of the sound are related. Now, in this lecture, I will discuss that how sound travels and do sound require a medium or not. When a musician plays, sounds spread outwards from their instrument. Anyone nearby can hear the sounds. This shows sound can travel through air. It means when any musician plays a music, what will happen? The sound will be spread outward in all direction. A nearby person will hear the sound from that musical instrument which has been played by a musician. Sound can also travel through solids and liquid. For example, place your ear against a table. Ask someone to tap the table. You will hear that tapping sound will very clearly. So, I will discuss that the speed of sound in solids is greater than liquid and gas. Why? Because in solid the atoms from which the solid is made are closely packed. So that's why the sound travel faster in solid as compared to liquid. In liquid, the atoms are randomly aligned and slide by slide their arrangement, due to which the sound will travel in a liquid, but its speed in liquid as compared to solid is less. In case of air, the speed of sound in air is very much less, because the air molecules or atoms are further apart to each other. That's why sounds can travel through air, but its speed is less. I will discuss now, can a sound travel through a vacuum? The sound that comes from a gamma burst from a distant stars such as neutron star or a proton star. That gamma burst which is produced by the surface of that star comes to the earth, and no one can listen it. Why? Because sound cannot travel through the vacuum. In the space there is a vacuum, there is no medium. That's why the sound of blast which has been happening on the surface of earth cannot travel towards the earth. Okay, I hope so you like my lecture, what I have delivered to you. You have to learn that topic in your book, and inshallah I will share the homework, the home assignment to the WhatsApp group.